Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your country on Talabat account. So first we're going to go to the Talabat app. Then once you're here, we're going to click on the account section. Then next, click on settings on the top right corner. Then you're going to click on country as you can see. Then you have different options to choose from. So for example, let's say we chose Saudi Arabia. So as you can see, it's going to ask you to confirm your location for an accurate delivery service. Then once you confirm your PIN location, that's going to open the Saudi version of the Talabat app. So you guys could also go back and change it as I told you. Click on country and choose the country you want. Then we chose UAE, so it's going to divert it back once you confirm our location. So this is how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.